And that is why I have written tons and tons of articles. My last outing on this was 40 pages. By the way, my keynote address today is 78 pages, but I'm just speaking to it. And I've sent it already to the Secretariat. My last outing on this was 40 pages, where I warned the Nigerian government not to lead or aid ECOWAS to go to Niger Republic to attempt to forcibly remove the interim military government, with Niger Republic having served borders with 7 states in Nigeria. The humanitarian catastrophe, displaced and dislocated people that you are going to cause will be unimaginable, added to our present insecurity, Boko Haram, armed banditry, kidnapping, hunger, thirst, disillusionment. Let me use this forum to warn the Nigerian government. Don't pay it. It is neither righteous nor justified to intervene. Not only because Niger Republic is a sovereign state, but also because we have no right to intervene and tell them how to govern themselves. Nigeria has never been told how to govern herself. From the first military purge of 15 January 1966, led by Major Kaduna Uzoguchukuma and other young majors, I didn't see the international community come here to tell us how to govern ourselves.